Hello everybody, welcome to the Real Life Health Show. Here's my yard and my garden, and other than the fruit trees I have these wonderful greens, and cabbage is my favorite. I love Napa cabbage, and I got so many here. And I got some other greens growing as well, and as I told you, I've been using these concrete beds for a long time, and they were easy to put together, but the problem was I had to go get them. It was a lot of work, and they're not the most aesthetic things in the way they look. They do the job, but I'm so excited about the Vegia garden bed. As you can see, my garden bed's all here. They're looking great. I have some tomatoes in the back there, some collards, and a bunch of Napa cabbage, which I love. And I just love doing this. So I have garden beds all around. Now, since I started gardening, I've been using these cement garden bricks, or they're actually just bricks that I've been using as my garden bed. So that's what I've been using. And not knowing what else to use, I thought about using wood, but wood goes bad and you got to make that. It was really easy to put this together, but it was a lot of work. I had to bring all these blocks here from the store. It was a lot of work. Well, I'm excited today because today we're going to see Vegia. Vegia sent me one of their amazing garden beds. I didn't even know about them until they contacted me, and now I cannot forget about them. Their website is amazing. I'm going to put a link below, but they just saw my gardens here, and they said, well, check out ours. And they sent me one to test out. So we're going to install it today, and I'm really excited about that. So this is something I've done. It doesn't look as aesthetic as this garden will look. It's easy to put together. I'm really excited. And everyone, if you grow trees and you love trees, you definitely should be excited about growing a garden as well. And the great thing about this and these or any to grow in a garden, depending on how you go, the roots don't go down that deep. So you don't need to do this over just grass. I've chosen to grow in this area because this is over my drain field, and I couldn't put a tree there because the roots go down too big, and I didn't want to mess up my drain field. But I did it this way. Now you could also do this on cement. You could put this right on cement somewhere. The same thing. But the Vegia has different shapes and sizes. They have so many different uh, round ones, rectangle ones, and today we got a triple one. It's really cool. I'm going to put it together today, and I'm excited to get this going, so check it out. Vegega is a metal raised garden bed, and there's a simple raised garden bed, but like I said, you can do all different types of shapes and everything else. And I used to love playing Tetris when I was younger, and this is really cool because you can make your own special personalized shapes. So the toughest challenge I've had was, where am I going to put this amazing garden? But I've settled on this spot, so we're going to open up now, and we're going to see the instructions and how easy it is to put together. All right, everybody, we did it. We put it together. This is one of the sizes that they have. There's 3 compartments here to plant 1, 2, and they sell some this size where the whole thing's this size, but you don't even have to bend. It's really cool. And this is not going to rust for many, 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 many years, if ever, because of the coating they have on the outside. It's very light to pick this up and move it before you put the dirt in, so that's pretty cool as well. As for putting it together, it wasn't complicated. It took some time, but it wasn't complicated. It'll definitely help if you have 2 people. And not that you needed it, but they have these edges here that'll help so you don't cut yourself. But it's not needed because it's not sharp at all. I'm going to fill this bed up and I'll show you. Now, if you want to get one of these, I'm going to put the link below. Use my affiliate link at 10% off. And I recommend you checking out their website and all the different variety of ones they have. Game changer right here. Hello, Vegia. Thank you so much for this amazing garden bed. And this is so cool because not only does it look beautiful, but look how high it is. They have different types of beds and you could make different shapes and so on. But I could grow just as much food as here as I could in those not too aesthetic cement beds. And this is just really wonderful. My only question is, it's so beautiful where to put it. So I might get more because it just does a great job. So I don't mind bending down because I could do that and I'm young. Vegia has these garden beds. Now this is their triple bed and this is the highest level, but they have some where the whole beds could be this level. So that's really cool. But I'm definitely going to use some herbs in this one, and at the top we'll see, maybe I'll do some more root vegetables. I might just leave it right here and fill it with some good soil. But I'm so excited. I definitely endorse and recommend these beds. I have friends that have been using them for a long time, and now I'm glad I'm using one. And I'm going to get more because I just love the way they look, and the purpose of them is great. The material they're using is very strong material, and it's not going to rust or anything like that. And it was very easy to put together. And I recommend this. Now, they have a sale going on. They gave me an affiliate link to let people know if you want to get a percentage off. I believe it's 10% off. But if you want to get a percentage off, just click on the link below the video and check out all the beds that they have and get started today with your own bed. Now, another great thing about this is I have it on grass here, but you don't need to put it on grass. You could put this over cement. So you could have it like in your driveway or on the sidewalk in front of your house. If it's your sidewalk, you could put this anywhere, and it enhances the look of the house, but more important, it enhances your body. So this is great. So I'm going to fill it up with soil and get this moving here and use this. This is really a special thing here that they did. And these metal raised beds I highly recommend and endorse. This is Vegia. The link is below the video of all the different beds they have. Very cool, and they'll meet any garden needs because they have so many different styles, and you can put them together so many different ways. So thank you, Vegia, for making this great product. It was so easy to put together, and I'm just so excited to fill it up and show you all what I'm growing in here. So everybody, put your comments and questions below. Thumbs up to Vegia. The link is below to see all their beds and their discount code as well. Thank you.